couple of cotton balls in here, like that. Put a couple of sticks. Needs a little bit of room. And that's how easy cotton balls are to light. Frozen overnight. No wonder it's colder than the witch's friggin' roll. Yeah, for some reason. Guys, this seems like a pretty good stove. So far I've used it quite a bit now, a few times anyway. Yeah, I keep saying it. The cotton balls is the way to go, baby. Yeah, beautiful day, man. Beautiful. Perfect day for this. Like I was saying in the first part of the video, it's nice to clean up. It's nothing major. You can have it in a lot of cases in a fire ban. You can still cook. You can still have your tea. You can still cook your bacon and eggs. Still be safe. Because as long as you got this thing a few meters from anything combustible, I don't see it being a problem. It's more twigs and you name it in my cup. Shovel head 8 cup. Guys, if you take a kettle off just before it, even if it's on old flame, just before it's boiled, you can use your fingers and it's not going to burn you. So I'm going to let that steam. Anyway, sit and have a coffee while we wait. Now usually I have the little single, you can put 2 eggs in, like a frying pan. I just have the single frying pan, but this here is, it's a little big for the size of the stove, but once cast iron gets heated up, then you're fine. And we go up for the fire, guys. Not gonna do that. Guys. I thought this would be a good time to show it. Action. Wieners and ketchup. Time now. Time to take that up. Put in the rest of the wood. You know, the hinges around there is cherry red, so it's a good test. It haven't warped, so I'm going to have to say, if it's not warped now, I don't think it will. See how long it takes for it to cool off. So that there now is good enough to touch. So 2 minutes. Like I say, 5 minutes is the maximum that I've had to wait. The soot gets in here. You can, just before you put them away, just use each one of these, right, to do the slots, and you don't have to worry about it being tight next time. Thank you for your time.